Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to introduce about basic interface of ArcGIS. I have used ArcGIS ArcMap 10.7. First of all, I am going to remove some tools from this interface. I want to remove this. For this, I'll right click on this portion and untick these things which are marked as tick, this one and this one. Now I'll remove this table of content. I'll also remove this arc toolbox. I'll remove arc toolbox as well as catalog. Catalog and this arc toolbox. Now this is the very basic interface of ArcMap 10.7. You can use any of the ArcMap, any version of ArcMap 10.4, 10.5, 10.2 which you have. Here is horizontal scroll bar and here is vertical scroll bar. Here is file, edit, view, bookmark, insert, selection, geoprocessing, customize windows here. This is the main menu bar. Now from here in file, from new we can open a new blank page or blank map. Here from open, this is used to open saved file. Here from save we can save our project or map. From save as we can open saved file. Here is add data, we can add data from here. Here is export map. I would like to open this. From export map we can save our project in different formats such as you can look here EMF, EPS, AL, PDF, SVG, BMP, JPG, PNG, TIFF, GIF, whatever you like. Similarly, here is edit, undo, redo, cut, copy, paste. These things can be done from this option. Here is view, data view and layout view. Mainly we work on data view and layout view is mapping tool. This is used for inserting mapping tools such as title, orientation, like these things. Now we are in data view. We can change this from here also at left corner. This is data view and layout view. Let's go to layout view. This is layout view. We can insert things such as title. We can insert title. We can write here something like this. For instance, Bagmara Samudayik Bon. Okay. This in the same way we can insert north arrow. Here, there are many options. We can choose any one of them. We can change its properties from here, its size, its color, font, like these things. We can insert legend, scale bar, scale text, like these things. Here is selection, geoprocessing tools, buffer, clip, insert, union, merge are here, and here is arc toolbox. I would like to go to data view. It's arc toolbox. Here is customize, here is toolbar. We can bring this from here, from this portion also, by right clicking in this portion. And here is window, here is catalog, and here is table of content also. Yeah, now I'll bring all those tools in this here. Let's learn how to do it. Firstly, right click here, and which we need editor mainly. We need whatever we like to put outside, we can mark, tick. I want to bring out standard, and these tools. Now I would like to bring, here are the things. This is table of content, this is catalog option, this is source, this is actual box. Now I'll bring actual box here. I would like to pin it up here, and here is catalog. I would like to pin it up. We can put it anywhere by dragging it like this. In this blue portion we can put here like this, whatever, wherever we want to bring it. Again this, just a minute. I would like to cross it. Now I would like to bring table of content. Yeah, it's here. I pinned it. Now this is the base, this is the interface of ArcMap. Here is zoom in, zoom out. This is pan option. By clicking it we can move our map from one place to another. And this is full extent. If our if our map is zoomed or zoom out or zoomed in, then if we want to bring it in original position we can use this full extent. Here is selection toolbars, select element. By using this identify, we can identify any geographical features. Here is editor. From here also we can add data. Many layers will be created in this portion when we create map in this portion. Um, Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.